In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive, the complete guide. OneDrive is an incredibly convenient tool for storing and sharing files with others, whether you're collaborating on a project or sharing personal photos with friends and family. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to share your files with ease. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This is essential as OneDrive is part of the suite of applications offered by Microsoft. Simply head over to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll have full access to all the features Microsoft provides. Next, you'll want to locate the Apps Launcher. This is a handy tool that gives you quick access to all the applications, including OneDrive. You'll typically find this in the upper left corner of your screen, and it looks like a grid or waffle icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now, find and select OneDrive from the list of applications. This will open your OneDrive homepage, which houses all of your uploaded files and folders. It might take a moment to load depending on your internet connection, so be patient. Once inside OneDrive, navigate to the My Files section. This is where all your stored content lives. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make managing your files much easier in the long run. Now that you're in the right place, browse through your files and find the specific file or folder you'd like to share. This could be anything from a document you're collaborating on at work to a batch of photos from your latest vacation. With your file or folder selected, right-click on it and choose Share from the context menu. This action opens up various sharing options, allowing you to decide exactly how you'd like to share your content. Next, you'll be presented with the option to enter the email addresses of the people you want to share your files with. Simply type in their emails. OneDrive will take it from there, ensuring your files reach the intended recipients safely. After entering the necessary email addresses, click Send. This sends a direct invitation to the recipients, allowing them to access your stored files immediately, assuming you've granted them the appropriate permissions. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can click on Copy Link. This feature generates a shareable link that you can send via email, text, or any other communication method. It's a flexible option if email isn't suitable for all, and just like that, you've shared your files on OneDrive successfully. Whether you chose to send an email invitation or copy a link, your content is now ready to be accessed by those you trust. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll be an expert sharer in no time. Thanks for joining today, and see you next time.